What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing something that I really wish I don't have to do, but I have to do it. Let's hop into it. There you go, guys. As you can see, I have a ton of moisture and condensation in my headlight. So what we're going to be doing is getting rid of all that moisture out of there. And hopefully it does not return. Well, there it is, guys. As you can see, we got a lot of work to do. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I retrofitted my headlights, which involved me opening up my headlights, resealing them, stuff like that. And that was about a year ago. We're coming up about a year, maybe a little over. And I haven't had any moisture problems up until this point. Well, today was a special day, let me tell you. So today in particular, we had a huge, massive rainstorm. It poured for at least 5 hours or so, just sheets and sheets and sheets of rain, which in San Antonio, doesn't soak up any rain, it floods everywhere. When it rains, it floods. Doesn't do anything else, rains, floods. So with all that flooding, a lot of flood zones I had to drive through to get to work this morning. And oh my goodness, let me tell you guys, I am very impressed with the Crosstrek. She killed it in the water. Now I've taken the Crosstrek, like, you know, taking it off road, all crazy, but I took it through some river crossings today, let me tell you. Maybe about half a foot, nothing too crazy, nothing like the FJ can do. But it took it like the champ, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I was really impressed. I was so excited to just chug along through the water. You just see cars stranded over there, and I'm just chugging along. I love this car even more. But anyway, with that said, I'm pretty sure I got some water in my exhaust. It was not a good morning for anybody going to work. It took me like an hour and a half to get to work when it usually takes me like half an hour. Anyway, sorry, I'm rambling. So with all that water, I haven't had any moisture problems until today, and I think it was from all that flood water. Maybe I broke some of the seals in my headlight. I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and take the car apart because this is a Subaru Crosstrek, and the only way to get the headlight out is to remove the entire bumper. Yippee skippy. Let's get into it.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
All right, guys, so we got the headlight off, and what I found out was that there was actually water. I don't know if you can see that. There's actually a little bit of water. There was actually a little bit more. I actually shook some out, and I'm running this water all along the headlight just to see if it's leaking out anywhere, and it's not. I've run it all the way through all my seals. I sealed it pretty good. I honestly don't know how it got in there. It must have got in through a light bulb because there's absolutely no way to get it out. I've just been over here trying to shake it. As you can see, there's some water coming out. But anyway, if you have water, you have to get it out. That's the first thing. It's the most important thing. You got to get the water out before you can start dealing with the condensation. So I'm going to sit here and shake this out until I get almost all of it out. All right, guys, so now I got most of that water out. As you can see, not too much, if anything, left. I got pretty much everything out. What we're going to do now is I'm going to take it inside. Make sure the first thing you do is get it from outside. It's extremely humid out right now, so this is going to kill the entire method. So I'm going to take it inside. What we're going to do is take a hair dryer and set it in one of the holes. That way it can dry out. So I'll show you guys the setup. Let's hop inside.